NUKU'ALOFA ke tahine pataloni. O ki mautolo hana kotoa he whiawhini. E oa na hiri kai whaiwi o tangata. Amen.
Malo o pito. Tupo. Hoku tau. Whiawhia he pōni. Ko hinga ko tau whakatata heni I he malu e whaleni. Ke whakahoko atu ai whakaosinga o e polo kalama ko ia o e Pageant 2026. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce my co-hosts for tonight, this year's Miss Galaxy Pageant 2026, Miss Resitara Apa. And of course, the beautiful, voluptuous Ashley Tonga.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to how are you tonight? How are you tonight? Oh, you're a bit scared now, eh? The alcoholics are in the house, eh?
Yeah, they don't sound exciting.
Another round of applause for my father and my brother.
And of course, please put your hands together for my grandmother.
Also known as Aphrodite. We are the three muses for this evening, as some of you are all dressed in Roman attire. I am the goddess of love, goddess of war, and goddess of hunger.
Because I'm hungry every time.
So, without further ado, the program for tonight. Last night you saw the beautiful Miss Cartinia, Mr. Gladiator, and Miss Galaxy. Tonight is our crowning night. And it'll be a bit sad for some of us, a bit hooray for some of us, and a bit over it for some of us. So ladies and gentlemen, what does the program tonight look like?
Well, tonight, apart from all the entertainment that we're going to be having tonight, we do have the actual crowning of the three categories, which is
Miss Cartinia,
Mr. Gladiator,
and Miss Galaxy. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause for this marvelous program? Fabulous.
I would just like to make a quick announcement while we're up here. For all the formers that are in the house for Miss Galaxy, you can kindly make your way to the side of the stage because your appearance will be coming up very soon. If you know that you were crowned, please come up. If you didn't get a crown, please sit down.
Yes. Can we have all the former Miss Galaxy who are in the house? Please come on stage.
I would like to make a few acknowledgements as well before we start the program. The presence of Miss Samoa Society of Whawhawhine and American Samoa, who has kindly graced us, who paid her way all the way here. I think she came with Maui because she looks like Moana right now, eh? Ashley, do you have anything to
I also want to acknowledge those, the stage crew, everybody who has set up this pageant. Isn't this year's pageant marvelous?
Ladies and gentlemen, I will be coming around and selecting a few of you to come up here on the platform down here for best dressed tonight. So put on your best dress, put on your Caesar, Caligula, Mark Antony, because Cleopatra is in the house.
That's what you call Cleopatra gone wrong. Well, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we have a full program for tonight, but we won't bother you with everything. Once the crowning is done, then we'll have a party. All right? Okay. I know it's Friday and we are only allowed to be here until 1 o'clock a.m., not p.m.
But we'll ask all the ambassadors to stay here until 3 a.m., correct?
That will be you and your securities.
So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the running of the program this evening, right after all the formers parade of formers, we will be announcing the Miss Galaxy categories and the winners. After that, same process, we will show a video and also announce entertainment and also announce the winners and the category placings for Miss Cartenia. And then the final for tonight is Mr. Galaxy. We'll see you very soon. Mahalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage our former Miss Galaxy winners. Please take the stage.
DJ, just play any old song will do.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, some of them have had so many children and they can't keep the weight down. Miss Fiona Gibson. Miss Felicia Brown Acton. Venus Brown. Lavender Diamond, where are you? And of course, our reigning queen, and the person behind the technology and everything, Miss Diamond Bear.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for these beautiful former winners with our reigning Miss Galaxy. They still look all beautiful. I think we should do a run for next year, eh? All of you. What do you think, crowd? A winner of Winners Pageant next year? A winner of Winners Pageant next year? Okay, go home. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, ladies. Another round of applause.
Just to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, we will be sharing with you a QR code for all of you, and we would like to do this before you get intoxicated, or toxicated, sorry. Because we need your feedback, and your feedback is very much needed. In order for us to upgrade and do a better job next year, oops, did I say that? We need all your feedbacks. And if you have nothing better to do, please fill up the survey. And if you don't have anything at all, bad, good, ugly to say, keep it with yourselves. We'll now have a video presentation of the first night of Miss Galaxy Tri-Pageant.
Before we go on to that category, we do have our housekeeping, and we have us, Miss Air New Zealand.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So our housekeeping rules, ladies and gentlemen, if you need to go to the bathroom, the bathrooms are located, boys, pick any tree outside. Boys, your bathroom is over here.
That's one good-looking tree.
Ladies and gentlemen, in case of a fire or an emergency, our designated place that we are to meet at is just outside in the parking lot. Please do not drink and drive, and drink very responsibly. I know that some of you like to drink and be very rowdy. Do not be rowdy, because me and Tyra, we are your securities for tonight.
Of course, we are the security for the night, eh?
But I thought I heard your voice at 3 a.m. in the morning in a car going past my hotel. So now you know where the bathrooms are located, the men's and the women's. Moving along the program.
And now we will present the video, right?
Don't push me over, please.
Que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosa buena, cosa buena, cosa buena, cosa buena, cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena.
When I dance, they call me Macarena, and the boys they say que soy buena. They all want me, they can't have me, so they all come and dance beside me. Move with me, chant with me, and if you're good, I'll take you home with me.
Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. ¿Quién puede domar la fuerza del mar que se mete por tu vena? Lo caliente del sol que se te metió y no te deja quieta, nena. You won't see me cry, I'm hiding inside. My heart is in pain, but I'm smiling for you. Balança que é uma loucura, morena, vem ao meu lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado, quero ver mexer por duro. Oh baby, I'm trying to make this thing right. I need you more than ever when I'm not with you. Balança que é uma loucura, morena, vem ao meu lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado. Yo, 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 yo. Don't let go, don't let go, don't let go, don't let go, my love. Sin corazón, don't let go. Just kiss me this time, na meia volta. My only dream is about you every night. Y sacode duro. ¿Quién puede parar eso que al bailar descontrola tus caderas? Y ese fuego que quema por dentro y lento te convierte en fiera. Blood running to you, you won't see me cry. My heart is in pain, but I'm smiling for you. Es para quebrar kuduro, vamos a danzar kuduro. Seja moreno, loira, vem balançar kuduro. Don't let go, don't let go. Mr. Worldwide, get on the floor.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Babies, we choose the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brains, I don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. 'Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Dale.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break a sweat on the
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our beautiful presentation for you this evening.
May I ask all the entertainers, please, if you could make your way to the DJ and get your music ready. So when we call your name, we won't have to wait for another 10 minutes. Thank you very much.
Calling out all entertainers, we kindly make your way to the DJ so we can proceed with the program. And then what's coming up now, Jolene?
We will go into our sponsors, acknowledging our sponsors.
Wonderful.
Is supported by businesses and organizations that invest in our communities, our culture, and the future of our young people.
This year's 2026 Diamond sponsors: Australian High Commission, New Zealand High Commission, Family Free of Violence, and Canadian Fund. Sylvie Lodge, Spare Batson,
We love IMEX.
and Rowena Financial Services. A&A Retailing Store, A. Cowley & Sons Limited, Federal Pacific Insurance, Tikisel Tonga, Alpha Rental Cars, Talieva Bar, New City Comfort Zone, Seabreeze Event Center, and Nasita Sportswear. Our gold sponsors:
At Tanoa Line Hotel, we are growing sustainability and serving freshness to your table.
Bank of South Pacific Tonga Limited. Our purpose, championing prosperity for the South Pacific.
Sunshine Rental, ANZ Bank, Lavi Lagoon View Apartments and Tours, Frank Enterprises. And with appreciation, we recognize our silver and bronze sponsors for their generous support.
Thank you all for your support. Malo apito and tua ofato.
How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all our sponsors? And we would like to also acknowledge the Mo'unga Enterprises and also Pangaimotu Island, Toloke Enterprise, and of course the Lotte Bowls and No Filter family. Before we go on to our next program, which is awarding the some of the top 3 awards for Interview, Voice of Change, awards for the Galaxy Wear, awards for Talent Quest, awards for the Rainbow Wear or Rainbow Creation, and top 3 for overall ranking and winner.
Message. The winner message will be given 1 minute to see what she wants to say for the whole night. And this, what you just heard then was for Miss Galaxy. We are now moving on to the Miss Galaxy presentation.
Is our first entertainment ready? Fredisha, where are you?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, while we are waiting for the final scoring to come through on our iPad here, I believe I will
Well, why don't we introduce our contestants
Why
and
not?
bring them forward, right?
Yes, that's a good idea.
We will start with the Galaxy contestants.
And Miss Galaxy this year. The Miss Galaxy Queen Pageant started in 1993 as a form of entertainment and fundraising mechanism to support the association. Since it started from scratch, it started with small contributions from local companies and businesses and families and friends to support the members in promoting their activities, creativity and talent, and at the same time to entertain the public. Over the years, the pageant grew and became popular in its own way. And not just because of the importance of beauty and talent, but it became the biggest advocacy platform for TLA to advocate their rights and issues for the country. In return, the ladies had the trust and respect of society. The annual Miss Galaxy pageant has now evolved to a new era and named by the Tonga Ladies Association patron, Honourable SALOTE Lupau Tuisataione, the Tri-Pageant Celebration. The idea is from the success of the event for over 30 years, and it is time to change to a level of inclusivity to involve all three genders in the celebration of the milestone of the Galaxy. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the reason why we're here tonight, Miss Galaxy. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So if the pageant was held 30 years, and you were 30 when it started, so that means 80?
Doll. I'm sure you would like to get on the plane tomorrow or Monday.
Are we ready? I don't do sign language, darling. Min. Patia. One more time. Min. Patia. Hoo. Ha. Can I hear hiya? Hiya. Away.
Away.
Oh, that's a drunk one coming from Aya. So, ladies and gentlemen, it has been an honor and pleasure from myself to be hosting you for the last couple of years. But tonight will also be my last time here in Tonga, right, Joey?
That's right.
My last time here in Tonga, that right, Joey? Canada Fund, you heard that?
Can
So,
we have all our contestants, please, at the backstage now?
Are we ready, my darling Manasseh?
Not yet, but, oh. If any of these entertainers are ready to please come forward give us your music. Our first entertainment for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, she is known in the platform of Bigo. Those of you who are in Bigo, I know I am. She is known as Queen Tutu. Not the tutu on the beach. Queen Tutu, are you ready? Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we get another round of applause for our first entertainment for this evening, Queen Tutu!
It's now or never, come hold me tight, kiss me my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late, it's now or never, my love won't wait. When I first saw you with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I've spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, the time is here at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me my darling, goodbye tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never, my love won't wait. Just like a willow, we would cry in ocean if we lost true love and sweet devotion. Your lips excite me, let your arms invite me. For no friend will be together this way. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me my darling, goodbye tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never, my love won't wait. It's now or never, my love will wait. It's now or never, my love won't wait. It's now or never, my love won't wait. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our beautiful performance by Queen Tutu.
At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite my co-host for tonight, for this year's pageant, the beautiful Resitara Apa, who's drowning herself right now. And she will be performing a Siva Samoa. So all of you Samoans in the house, get on the floor. So yeah.
Eu sou mua mua, le lai le fale ula, le tai sama sama, ale tui manua, le la au na motasi, fa atui o le motu, tu la ofu, olo sena matau. Matafau ma'alawa o maunga peleina he matangofia i le motu tutuila fofo mai tulangi sua malewa i whanua i tu au malataua sa o le lau ni usailua.
Malo, malo, malo. As you can see, my grandmother is getting too old. She forgets that. I think she forgot to take her tablets. NUKU'ALOFA. So, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to. Oh, Fredisha, you ready? Okay. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Fredisha.
Testing. Pop, pop, pop! Everybody get up and dance. Hey! Hello, is Patricia Lele in the house? It's a fiery afternoon, hotter than the month of June. We should go beach now. Let's go now and holler at the door. Yes, go the stairs and run, 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 run to the nearest shore. School is bound. Let's go down and holler at the door. Yeah, the waves is on fire, but the day is getting hot. This is my desire to the one to hit the spot. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool down. Hey, the waves is on fire, but the day is getting hot. Well, this is my desire to the one to hit the spot. And yeah, yeah. Cool down.
What?
Well, it's looking nice and blue, bluer than the cleary sky. Let's ride, 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 surf and ride some more. Yeah, the waves is on fire, but the day is getting hot. This is my desire to the one to hit the spot. Yeah, yeah. Cool down. Hey. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. But this is my desire to the one to hit the spot. Yeah, yeah. Cool down. Ha, ha, ha. The way is getting hot. But this is my desire to the one to hit the spot. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Cool down. Hey. Enter all lo que les cae. Area. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for a beautiful, beautiful performance.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your patience tonight. We are still waiting for our head judge to arrive, and then we will commence with the scoring and the categories. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, she was one of your former Miss Galaxies, as you saw on stage tonight. Please make her welcome onto the stage. The beautiful, the wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Venus Brown! Could I have the lights off, please, ladies? Just the main lights for now.
Very good. Crawford, the condolences of every person in Pepsi-Cola are with you.
Al Steele helped make this company.
And you were right by his side, sharing the burdens and the joy.
And we want to give you ample time to repay the debt. Of course, we'll have to take the Fifth Avenue apartment. You probably wouldn't want to stay there alone anyway.
What debt? I've got 100,000 shares of stock.
Your husband had to borrow against the stock to pay for the construction on your apartment.
And we loaned him a considerable sum in addition to meet expenses his salary didn't cover.
You think you're very clever, don't you? Trying to sweep the poor little widow under the carpet? Think again. I'm on the board of directors of this lousy company.
Well, we assumed that with your husband gone, you would no longer want to be on the board.
Al and I helped build Pepsi to what it is today. I intend to stay with it.
We appreciate your devotion and contribution, Miss Crawford, but we have retired you from the board of directors.
I got nothing. I got no one. Adore you and want you so. I'm just a no one with nothing to give you but all. I love you.
If you're acting, you're wasting your time. If you're not, you're wasting mine.
I'm not acting. I'm not acting. You can take her any place she wants. The fancy clubs and restaurants. But I can only watch you with my nose pressed up against the window frame. I don't feel I have anybody. No contract. No studio. No. Sometimes when I feel afraid, I think of what a mess I've made of my life. Crying over my mistakes, forgetting all the breaks I've had in my life. I was put on earth to be a part of this great world as me. And my life, guess I'll just add up the score and count the things I'm grateful for in my life.
You drove Al Steele to his grave, and now you're trying to stab me in the back? Forget it! I fought worse monsters than you for years in Hollywood. I know how to win the hard way.
Miss Crawford, we don't want any hard feelings.
You don't know what hard feelings are until I come out publicly against your product, and you'll see how much you sell.
Please, Miss Crawford. It's hardly necessary to make threats you surely don't mean.
Don't!
This is me. It's me. This is my life, and I don't get let down for lost emotions. I've just a lot of love I've got to give. Let me live. Let me live.
This ain't my first time at the rodeo. You forget the press I delivered to Pepsi was my power. I can use it any way I want. It's a sword. Cuts both ways.
This is my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for Miss Venus Brown. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to take this time to just quickly announce the prizes. The prizes for the different categories.
But before we do that, we'd like to announce, ladies and gentlemen, that we, the committee of the Miss Galaxy Tri-Pageant, with the approval of our patron, Honorable Lupipau, that the Tri-Pageant will continue on next year, 2026. Placket. Thank you. And so all our sponsors, thank you so much for supporting us this year. And we would like to beg you to please continue on next year and please double those prices. Thank you. So,
ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, the prizes for the interview category and Voices of Change. For the consolation prize, 4th and 5th rank, each receiving a $500 voucher. Actually, sorry, $500 paanga. And that is courtesy of Cowley Sons Limited. Maupasi mai. And a brand new Opal Mobile 5G phone, sponsored by Digicel Tonga Limited.
the third place will receive 500 paanga from Federal compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance. Second place will be 700 paanga from Federal Pacific Insurance.
In first place, ladies and gentlemen, it's 1,000 paanga, compliments of A. Cowley and Sons Limited, and also sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. Can we have a round of applause for our prizes for this evening?
And that is for the pre-interview. Our next category is the Galaxy Wear. Miss Galaxy, third place, will win 500 paanga, compliments of National Reserve Bank of Tonga. Second place will win 700 paanga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone Limited.
And ladies and gentlemen, first place will win 1,000 paanga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance, and the sash is by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. Can we get another round of applause for our prizes for this evening?
Again, for the Miss Galaxy competition, for the prizes for the talent, third place will win 500 paanga, compliments of National Reserve Bank of Tonga. Second place, 700 paanga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone Limited. And
first place, ladies and gentlemen, with another 1,000 paanga, with gift set worth of 200 paanga, compliments of A&A Retailers Tonga Limited, and sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services.
for our rainbow creation with Miss Galaxy competitors, third place, 500 paanga, compliments of National Reserve Bank of Tonga. Second place, 700 paanga, compliments of Ocean Trans Shipping. And
first place, ladies and gentlemen, 1,000 paanga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance, and the sash, compliments by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services.
for the overall Miss Galaxy, third place will win 1,000 paanga, compliments of Family Free of Violence. a tiara from Kaha'u Melia Services, bouquet from former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobata, and a happy hour voucher worth of 60 pa'anga at Seaview Lodge and Restaurant. The second place will win 2,000 pa'anga, compliments of family free of violence, round trip with Tonga Ladies Association to the Hero Parade and also the Mardi Gras in 2027 in Sydney, Australia. Tiara by Kaha'u Melia Services, sash by Nasita and Kaha'u Melia Services, bouquet, former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobata, and dinner voucher at Seaview Restaurant and Seaview Lodge.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first place winner will walk away with 3,000 pa'anga, compliments of Digicel Tonga Limited, a round trip with TLA to Auckland Pride Parade in New Zealand, 1,000 pa'anga with gift set worth of 200 pa'anga, compliments of A&A Retailer Tonga Limited. The crown is compliment of the reigning Miss Galaxy 2024, Giovanna Murphy. The sash is compliments of Nasita and Kaha'u Melia Services, and the bouquet is complimented by the former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobata. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give a round of applause for our prizes overall?
For the Miss Cartinia competition, the interview, Voice of Change, third place will win 500 pa'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance. Second place, 700 pa'anga, again, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance. And first place,
ladies and gentlemen, first place is 1,000 pa'anga, compliments of A and Pauli and Sons Limited, and the sash is compliments of Nasita and Kaha'u Melia Services.
Prizes for the island creation for Miss Cartinia. Third place, 500 pa'anga, compliments of E.M. Jones Group. Second place, 700 pa'anga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone Limited. And
first place, 1,000 pa'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance, and the sash is complimented by Nasita and Kaha'u Melia Services.
For the Sarong and Say competition, third place will win 500 pa'anga, compliments of E.M. Jones Group Limited and E.M. Jones Travel, who are a bit noisy from this side. Second place wins a 700 pa'anga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone Limited. First place will
win 1,000 pa'anga with a gift set worth of 200 pa'anga, compliments of A&A Retailer Tonga Limited, and the sash is complimented by Nasita and Kaha'u Melia Services.
For the Advocacy Challenge talent, third place will win 500 pa'anga, compliments of Ocean Trans Limited or Shipping. Second place wins a 700 pa'anga, Spare Parts Zone Limited. And first place,
ladies and gentlemen, first place is 1,000 pa'anga with a gift set worth of 200 pa'anga. Ladies and gentlemen, first place is 1,000 pa'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurances, and a sash complimented by Nasita and Kaha'u Melia Services. Apologies, ladies and gentlemen.
For the overall Miss Cartinia,
ladies and gentlemen, the overall third place, that's number 3, third place. $1,000, compliments of Will and Grace. The tiara and the sash is compliments of the Kahaumelia Services. The bouquet is compliments of former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobata, and also a gift voucher worth 100 ba'anga for Spare Parts Zone Limited. In second place, the winner will win 2,000 ba'anga, compliments of Sunshine Rental Car. The tiara and sash is compliments of Kahaumelia Services. The bouquet is compliments of the former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobata, and a dinner voucher. The worth is 150 ba'anga at Seaview Lodge. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our first, third, and second place.
And the first place, or the winner of Miss Cartinia, will win 3,000 pa'anga, compliments of Seaview Lodge, 1,000 pa'anga gift set worth of 200 pa'anga, compliments of A&A Retailer, Tonga Limited, crown by Tonga Ladies Association, sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services, and bouquet from former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobata, and Miss Cartinia will be representing Tonga for the Miss Earth competition in the Philippines.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for your prize categories. Because we will be going with the gladiator, no?
We are. For the Mr. Gladiator,
the prizes for the Mr. Gladiator's interview. In fifth place, a $200 ba'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance. In fourth place, 300 ba'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance. Third place, 500 ba'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance. In second place, 700 ba'anga, compliments of our beautiful friends at Federal Pacific Insurance. And in first place,
compliments of A. Cowley and Sons, 1,000 pa'anga, and a sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services.
Ladies and gentlemen, the prizes for the business advertisement for Mr. Gladiator. In fifth place, 500 ba'anga, compliments of E.M. Jones Group Limited. In fourth place, 300 ba'anga, compliments of E.M. Jones Group Limited. In third place, 500 ba'anga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone Limited. In second place, 700 ba'anga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone Limited.
And first place, 1,000 pa'anga, compliments of Lord's Mobile and sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the prizes for the Men's Tribunal floral printed attire. In fifth place, the person will walk away with 200 ba'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurance. The fourth place will win 300 ba'anga, compliments of Federal Pacific Insurances. Third place, 500 ba'anga, compliments of our great friends at the Federal Pacific Insurances. And second place, 700 ba'anga, compliments of our lovely friends again at the Federal Pacific Insurance.
And first place wins 1,000 pa'anga, compliments of A. Cowley and Sons and sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services.
Can we get another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? The prizes for the international wear, ladies and gentlemen, for our Mr. Gladiator. In fifth place, the person will walk away with 200 ba'anga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone. The fourth person would walk away with 300 ba'anga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone. Third place, 500 ba'anga, compliments of Spare Parts Zone. Second place, 700 ba'anga, compliments from our friends at the Spare Parts Zone.
And first place wins 1,000 pa'anga, compliments of Lord's Mobile and sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And that is our international wear. For the overall Mr. Gladiator.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the Gladiator, we're going with 5, right? So on the 5th, the person that walks away 5th from Mr. Gladiator will walk away with 1,000 paanga, compliments of Tonga Lady Association, and the sash is complimented by the Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. 4th place winner will walk away with 1,500 paanga, compliments of the Tonga Lady Association, the sash, compliments of Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. The bouquet is compliments from our former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobara, and a gift voucher of $100 by Spare Parts Zone Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, in 3rd place, the winner will walk away with $2,000, compliments of Office Equipment Limited. The crown is compliments from Tonga Lady Association. The sash is compliments from Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. The bouquet, compliments from former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobara, and the gift voucher of $100 by Spare Parts Zone Limited. In 2nd place, ladies and gentlemen, 2,500 paanga, compliments of Frank Enterprises Limited. The crown is compliments by Tonga Lady Association. The sash is by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services. The bouquet, compliments from former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobara. The gift set is worth $200, compliments of A&A Retailers Tonga Limited, a dinner voucher of 150 paanga, compliments of Seaview Lodge, and a gift voucher of 100 paanga, compliments of Spare Part Zone. Oh.
And of course, 1st place will win 3,000 paanga, compliments of Seaview Lodge, return ticket for 1 for any destination in Australia, compliments of Lovey's Seaview Apartments, 1,000 with gift sets worth gift sets with worth 200 paanga, compliments of A&A Retailer Tonga Limited, gift voucher of 100 paanga by Spare Parts Zone, breakfast voucher, compliments of Seaview Lodge, crown, compliments of Tonga Ladies Association, sash by Nasita and Kahaumelia Services, and bouquet from former Miss Galaxy 2019, Marina Kokobara, and also the winner of Mr. Gladiator will be representing Tonga for the Masters of the World in Malaysia.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our beautiful and our wonderful prizes this year. I do apologize about that delay of the program. We were supposed to be announcing prizes for each category, then we announce the prize winners. So moving, I would also like to invite onto the stage, onto the platform here. We'll be announcing the contestants to make their way down here on the platform here, as we will be handing the prizes from down here from now on. It's a bit of a stair, as some of you might have seen me last night. I did a body flip from up there down the stairs.
Tara, sorry, I've just been told that the prizes will be given over here.
We'll be handing back up there? Okay.
Someone will be at the bottom to pass it up
That'll
to
be me.
them. Yeah.
Okay. So you know the riddle of the 3 blind mice? Yeah, that's myself, Jolene, and Ashley tonight. 3 blind mice. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. We are now going to Miss Galaxy.
We'd like to bring in our Galaxy girls. Please take the stage, and followed by all our contestants. Contestants of Miss Cartinia, contestant number 1, contestant number 2, contestant number 3, contestant number 4, contestant number 5. Our Mr. Gladiators, contestant number 1. Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 5. Contestant number 6. Contestant number 7. And contestant number 8. Our Miss Galaxy contestants. Contestant number 1.
Let me introduce it. You to my party, be a blow in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't slip or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused.
Contestant number 2.
No, pump it up and back it up like a conga drop. If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party, take a step on the floor. If you're an animal,
Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4.
pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let me introduce it. You to my
Last but not the least, contestant number 5.
Let me introduce it. You to my party, be a blow in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all our contestants of 2026. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite the head judge of the Pageant 2026, Mr. Taufu'i Naufahu, who is the president of the Tonga Ladies Association. And Taufu'i will be announcing the winners for all our categories.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I know that some of you might have been confused because you've never seen me on a dress, but I'm blaming my designer, Dr. Joe Takai and Vika Akaola, putting me on a dress. I was supposed to look like a prince, but now I look like a housemaid who actually seduced King Solomon. Yes. Thank you. So I have the honor to actually announce for all the prizes for the categories. But I would like to start with the Miss Galaxy. So may I ask the girls, this is your night, this is your moment. Can you step forward to the front and own the stage to yourself? The reigning Miss Galaxy will be the one presenting all the prizes, except to the very last part for the crowning, and that will be her honorable judge, the honorable guest of honor. I'm so sorry. Now, I would like to start with the, as you are aware, I know it's going to be a very long night. It will be a very long program that I'm going to start with. But we would like to start with the announcement for the float, which I know that it was already being awarded last Saturday. I'm just going to announce it in case some of you might have missed it. So the third prize was awarded to Miss Lady Down Under. Please step forward. And the second prize was awarded to Miss Federal Pacific Insurance. And the float parade was won by Miss TLA New Zealand. Now moving on to the interview. Third prize will be goes to Miss Federal Pacific Insurance, Tina Jane Rexy. And the second prize will be awarded to Miss Lady Down Under. And the first prize goes to Miss Joella Company. Make some noise! The next category will be the Galaxy Wear. Third prize goes to Miss TLA New Zealand, Miss Penina Paya Williams. Second prize goes to Miss Lady Down Under. And the first prize goes to Miss Joella Company. Our next category will be the Talent Quest. And the third prize goes to Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. Second prize goes to Miss TLA New Zealand. And the first prize goes to Miss Lady Down Under. Thank you. And the last category for Miss Galaxy, the rainbow wear. Third prize goes to Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. Second prize goes to Miss Lady Down Under. And the first prize goes to Miss Joella Company. And another round of applause to our Miss Galaxy Pageant tonight. Now, I would like to invite the Miss Cartinia contestant, please. Would you like to step forward to the front? As mentioned earlier, for the float parade, it was already been awarded last week Saturday. But I'll just announce it for your own record. The third prize for the float parade was Miss Joella Company. And the second prize was awarded to Miss Jolene HTP. And this category was won by Miss Kahau Media Services. Now moving on to our next category, and that will be the interview. Third prize goes to Miss Joella Company. Second prize goes to Miss Kahau Media Services. And this category was won by Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. Moving on to the next category, the Island Creation. Third prize goes to Miss Ra, Ethereum, Australia. Second prize goes to Miss Kahau Media Services. And the first prize goes to Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. The next category will be the Sarong and Say. And our third prize goes to Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. Second prize goes to Miss Joella Company. And the first prize goes to Miss Jolene HTP. The last category for Miss Cartinia 2026 is the Advocacy Challenge Talent. Third prize goes to Miss Jolene's HTP. Second prize goes to Miss Kahau Media Services. And this category is won by Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. How about another round of applause to all our Miss Catalonia contestants?
Let me introduce it to my party people in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't slip or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused. And no, cause you will lose, you know, no, pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Dale. If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party fight, you step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Crack a sweat on the floor.
Thank you. Now, may I kindly ask the Mr. Gladiators contestants to please step up to the front.
Let me introduce it to my party people in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't slip or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused. And no, cause you will lose, you know.
As per usual, I would like to just start with the float, but may I kindly ask Mr. Gladiator, when I announce your name for this category, you just step up to the front, but you don't have to come all the way to the Miss Galaxy. For the float, there were top 5 for Mr. Gladiator, and number 5 goes to Mr. Tonga National Men's Netball Team. And the 4th place goes to Mr. Joella Company. Third prize goes to Mr. House of Tisha Style. Second prize was awarded to Mr. Kahau Melia Services. And the first prize was awarded to Mr. Hapai Delights. Now moving on to the next category, and that will be the interview. Thank you, boys. 5th place goes to Mr. Kahau Media Services. Fourth place goes to Mr. Ella Artistic Emporium. Third prize goes to Mr. Joella Company. Second prize goes to Mr. Tonga National Men's Netball Team. And this category won by Mr. Alpha Rental Cars. Our next category will be the business advertisement. 5th place goes to Mr. Kahau Media Services. Fourth place goes to Mr. Alpha Rental Cars. Third prize goes to Mr. Echoes of Tonga Tour. Second prize goes to Mr. Joella Company. So the first prize goes to Mr. Tonga National Men's Netball Team. The next category will be the men's tribal floral printed attire. Fifth place goes to Mr. House of T-shirt style. Fourth place goes to Mr. Joella Company. Third place goes to Mr. Kahau Media Services. Second place goes to Mr. Alpha Rental Cars. And this category won by Mr. Tonga National Men's Netball Team. So this will be our last category for the Mr. Gladiator, and that is the international wear. Fifth place goes to Mr. House of T-shirt style. Fourth place goes to Mr. Tonga National Men's Netball Team. Third place goes to Mr. Kahau Media Services. Second place goes to Mr. Joella Company. And this category will be awarded to Mr. Alpha Rental Cars. So another round of applause, please, DJ, a song for our boys.
Let me introduce it to my party. We up in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't stop or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused. No, cause you will lose, you know, no, pump.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our wonderful contestants tonight, and also those who made a placing. Thank you, DJ, for the round of applause. You may kindly leave the stage, and we will announce you once it comes to our placings for tonight. Malo Piso.
Thank you, contestants. You may take your seats and have a rest, and we will call you back again later. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving along tonight's program, while our beautiful contestants take a breather, take a shot, take whatever they want to do in the backstage before they come out for the placings. Tan tan da dan tan. Tan tan da dan tan. There we go, there we go. Now moving along tonight's program. She doesn't know yet that she's in the program, but tonight we have a special guest with us tonight, this evening, all the way from Aotearoa. She is from Niue descent, the beautiful Miss Felicia Brown Acton. Tonight she performed this number at the last Miss Galaxy, the 25 years anniversary, and tonight she will grace us with her beauty, presence, and elegance. Ladies and gentlemen, former Miss Galaxy 2003-2004, Felicia Brown Acton, with this performance, Pahoho. And lighting, please. Could I have all the lights in the hall on, please, for this performance? Could I have all the lights, please? So I can see all the alcoholics that are in the house as well. Yep. Felicia Brown Acton will be performing down here on the stage, and also the backlights. Ah, you're not making any noise now, eh? Ladies and gentlemen, Felicia Brown Acton with her performance from Chachatofi Pahoho.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, Mo Pasi Pasi Mai, Miss Felicia Brown Acton.
Another round of applause for the beautiful Felicia Brown-Acton with her performance tonight. It was quite popular last pageant as Ho Ho. How are we doing? Yeah, it's being like that, eh? Bit of a But we are getting through, we are trooping through. All the way from American Samoa. Please make her welcome onto the stage, Miss Society of Fa'afafine i American Samoa. Miss Sophia, the beautiful Jaya Sailua.
Whakatere na toke raue tōku piko hanga i nā ruki e viru viru maua taku moe hana wakitea te marania taku ka hai ai tie
Let me introduce it. You don't mind party, pee up low in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Insecti, I'm not here with your brain, so don't step or snooze. I don't blame no.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, while we're waiting for the next entertainment, we do have a surprise tonight. I just get so tired just looking at the entertainment. Oh, my Lord. Okay. We have a birthday in the house. And that person happens to be someone from the New Zealand High Commission table. We would like to wish Esther. Esther, could you please come forward over here? Esther? Oh, you look marvelous, darling. Thank you. Esther, we have a cake for you. And we would like to wish you all the best and happy birthday. And I'll give you the chance to give it a good blowjob.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Hey!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Esther. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Esther. Happy long life to you. Happy birthday, Esther. Wish you all the best. Enjoy the cake. And I hope your staff don't poison you tomorrow.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck 'cause that's your birthday.
All right. You want to hear more entertainment for tonight? Oh, Lord. You want to hear more? I can't hear you.
Can somebody give me a high?
Okay. Whew. Okay. I like to do this song and I'd like to dedicate it to all of you who are here tonight. Sorry, you know, it does take a little while for someone in my age who's still 40 in imagination, but in reality, yeah, I might be the same category with Amini. However, I'm 1 year older than her. Where are all our contestants? Are they still at the back? Okay, this song is dedicated to all of you. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with us. I hope you've enjoyed it. And again, dedicating this song to all our sponsors. Woo! How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. To all our sponsors, thank you so much. This song is dedicated to all of you. Hello, New York. Start spreading the news. I'm living today.
I want to be a part of it. New York, New York, the vagabond shoes are longing to stray. Step around the heart of it in old New York. I wanna wake up in the city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray. I'll make a brand new start of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in the city that doesn't sleep. Woo! I'm out of breath. New York. Yep, da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. New York, New York. I want to wake up in the city that doesn't sleep. Shout out to the no filter and find I'm king of the hills, king number one, king of the hills, king number one. There's a little town balloons. They are melting away. I want to make a brand new start of it. In old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. Return to you. Hey, New York, New
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the beautiful Jolene Mataiwa with that performance tonight. And I think by looking at that performance, I think everybody wants to have a bit of a dance. Yeah? So I'm going to hand it over to the DJ to play one track or two tracks for all of you to make it up as we the dance floor.
Where all the single ladies at? What's up? Hey, the dance floor's open for you. Hey, hey. Hey. Yeah, ladies, where them single ladies at? Yeah, man.
I got gloss on my lips, a man on my hips, and me tighter than my dairy on jeans. Acting up, drinking my cup, I can care less what you think. I need no permission, did I mention? Don't pay him any attention. Cause you had your turn, and now you're gonna learn what it really feels like to miss me. Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
What's up?
If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see that he on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
If you don't, we'll be alone. And like a ghost, I'll be gone. All the single ladies, 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 all the single ladies. Now put your hands up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the one. For funga. Kohono mo oni okuke.
Yeah.
That's the one no mayange. Kafana fana tupe. Kohono mo oni okuke. For ilole.
What?
Okuke for ilole. That's the one. Lole. Okuke for ilole. That's the one. Lole. Okuke for ilole. Time me okumao, I see a live stream. Go on no morning, okumao, hustle no sleep. Hands up, that's the one anymore, Mali. Here we go, we'll be back in a minute. Okuke for ilole. That's the one, lole. Okuke for ilole. That's the one. Let's go. What? That's the one. For fun. Kohono mo oni okuke. Hoi hoi fua. That's the one no mayange. Kafana fana tupe. Kohono mo oni okuke. For ilole. Okuke for ilole. That's the one. Lole. Okuke for ilole. That's the one. Lole. Okuke for ilole. Time me okumao, I see a live stream. Go on no morning, okumao, hustle no sleep. Hands up, that's the one anymore, Mali. Here we go, we'll be back in a minute. Okuke for ilole. That's the one, lole. Okuke for Looking back at when we first met, I cannot escape and I cannot forget. Who can do no wrong? You can make me whole again.
Yeah. You're about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle, lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on the mission of just hitting how it's written and kitten, hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing medicine. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust a move in this world, serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word, damn, you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the talent illy, and now these are full of fillies. And rally suckers get silly. It's Sally, then found in alleys. I'm rowdy, really.
So here we go. Now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow.
Never mixing with tricking, brother, bitching over fixings that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things that bitten and getting written off. You're like a bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off. Before you even started, so what? So long, see you fly like my try. How else can I say it when you play it? Try boom, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Run it.
Looking back at when we first met, I cannot escape and I cannot forget. Baby, you're the one. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they broke in your soul. Hey, biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they broke in your soul. Hey.
Allow me to lace these lyrical gooches in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moa is where you'll find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, the FUC secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it, I got more Mac than Craig in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes, C-notes, by the layers, true players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. Bring the beat in. What?
I cannot escape and I cannot forget. Who can do no wrong? Yo sé que tienes un nuevo amor, sin embargo te deseo lo mejor. Si en mí no encontraste felicidad, tal vez alguien más te la dará. Como la flor, tanto amor me diste tú. Sembarillito me marchó y yo sé perder.
No, pues no.
Como me duele, como me duele.
What?
Si vieras cómo duele perder tu amor, con tu adiós te llevas mi corazón. No sé si pueda volver a amar, porque te di todo el amor que pude dar.
What?
Como la flor, tanto amor me diste tú. Ese marichito me marchó y yo sé perder, pero como me duele.
What?
Como me duele.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Get off my stage.
My Lord, peace to our DJs tonight and all of you who are performing this evening, dancing this evening. We have one more entertainment before we move on to the formalities of this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, while everybody makes their way down to their seats, Ella. Can I hear a oh yeah? Ashley? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys can please quickly take your seat, and I have silence in the room. Thank you very much.
Can I have a oh yeah?
Oh no.
Can I have a oh yeah? Can somebody give me a oh yeah? Clock it, clock it, clock it. Can somebody give me a oh yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, our next performance tonight. She is the mother of House of Alexandra in Brisbane, Australia. She is a legend in the ballroom scene in Australia. She was crowned Miss Samoa Whawhawhine Association in 2024, 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to call her my daughter, as I am a great-grandmother of hers as well. Please make her welcome onto the stage. The former Miss Samoa Fa'afafine Association, the beautiful, the glamorous, the owner of House of Alexander, Miss Ella Alexander.
Baby, I love you. You are my life. Happiest moments weren't complete if you weren't by my side. So
another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. For the mother of House of Alexander, Malo Opito. Should she come and enter next year? Yeah? Maybe. Not after my dead body. Ladies and gentlemen, moving along tonight's program, I'd like to hand it back to Jolene.
And we'd like to acknowledge the presence of one of the co-founders of the Tonga Ladies Association, who happens to be now the president or the chairperson of the New Zealand Tonga Ladies Association that has just been who just started this year and in New Zealand. We'd like to invite James Terepo to please come forward and say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Semisi Telepo, but I also known as James Kingsman. I'm one of the foundation member of Tonga Ladies Association when it was first started, and I'm here, and I know one of the founders is still here, Malakai Fonua. And the reason why we start this Tonga Ladies Association, it was when the AIDS first came in. It's something that was separated our community and divided us in this kingdom. And there was a great support from Dr. Supileo Foliaki and also Sitaleki Finau as well. So to start it and to be here tonight, I just looked beyond and didn't even know that we are going to be here. And I would like to say thank you here to Jolene for bringing this together in the last 30 odd years. And even though we were moving countries, and this year, with the
Korea to ke moki whakalongolongo hifo. Sorry, James. Ho ik mo kainga. Korea ke moki whakalongolongo hifo. Kai lava ai patongia koe ni malo.
Tauni nai mea ngai ai pataloni SALOTE pau tuita taione ki Nusila, pia whai whakakaukau pe, pa moi ki tuunga mātua, pe he whoki he ki whine mātua, I Okalani ke mau whakahoko, ko hinga ko whengawe aki, pia moi Tonga Ladies Association I Nusilani, I Tongani. Pia kua whakakoloa aki au I he ki tuunga mātua, mai whine mātua koe ni, ke toi hoko pe koe Palestini o e Tonga Ladies Association New Zealand. O kuata e whakamalo ki a ki mautolu. But while I'm here, I want to acknowledge one of the people from the Maori tribes of New Zealand. He's here tonight, Titare, and we are going to work together And hopefully we can build not what it's like here in Tonga, but something like this to our community in New Zealand for a safe place for them. And I'm gonna come sooner or later to the Ambassador of Canada, Australia, and also New Zealand, and looking for some help to build this community. And I was so happy to be here tonight, and I'm here with Benina Paya as a representative to the galaxy. And we will continue on this for as long as I become a president. But anyway, thank you. I won't take any more time. Malo Alpito. Thank you so much, Malo.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for Tonga Lady Association New Zealand President.
At this time, ladies and gentlemen, before we announce our overall winners, we'd like to invite the reigning queen to do her last speech and performance. Her performance tonight will be the actual talent that she performed at the Miss Galaxy 2024. Ivana? Oh, Giovanna, you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, we ask for silence in the house before the reigning Miss Galaxy makes her way up to say her last few words before she is ready to pass the crown on to the new Miss Galaxy. Ka taki ko le atu ke mau ki I whakalongolongo hifo. Malo Alpito.
God is good, and all the time. Malo. O ki kai te tuuheni I malohi o oku. Kai he alo ofa mo tataki ai otua. I do not stand here by my own strength, but by God's grace and guidance. Kole ke hufanga, e ngai tala whakatap kotoa pē, nai au whaki atu me muani. Pea whakatulau atu, tahine patalone, eiki SALOTE ni pe pau, salamasina, purea vahine, ari o hau tuita taione. Kai ata nge mua, ke hoko atu e whakahauhaani, I he lea whakapilitania. Kau hi, ka kau whakaafe o tau kau whakataha I he pōni. First and foremost, I give all the glory and honor to God Almighty for His grace, protection, and unfailing love through this journey. Without Him, I would not be standing here tonight. I respectfully acknowledge our patron, the Honorable Lupe Pau Tuita Taione, and the director, management, and staff of the Tonga Ladies Association. Thank you for trusting me with this crown and walking alongside me every step of the way. This title was never just mine, It belongs to all of us.
Amen. Good girl.
To my sponsor, Fitiasi Leita Malupo, and to Pops, thank you for believing in my vision and investing in my journey. Your support made me so much possible. To the incredible team behind my appearance and costume. To my designer, Maile Tonga. To my makeup and hair artists, Vasase Lupe and Kitiao Sekona. And the entire crew, thank you for turning dreams into reality. For your creativity, patience, and countless late nights. I wore every look with pride because it was crafted with love. A very special acknowledgement to our beautiful reigning Miss Sophia, our beautiful American Samoa representative. Thank you for traveling to Tonga to stand beside us tonight. Your presence reminds us that although we come from different islands, our Pacific family is united through love, respect, resilience, and solidarity. May our sisterhood continue to strengthen our wider Pacifica LGBT+ community. I extend my deepest gratitude to the Carmelite sister who have fervently prayed over my advocacy and my journey. Your prayers carried me through the moment when strength felt distant and faith was all I had. To my beloved grandmother, Mele Otolose Lynch Murphy, my Fangafae, Valencia, Suliana, Bonita, Lustania, and Mona Lisa. My family, and especially my siblings, Pesalili, Betty, Cassandra, and my younger brother. Thank you for being my foundation. Your love has grounded me when the world felt heavy. I acknowledge those who shelter me, to Sitani and Kasala Kisina, to Papa Mateo and Katia Moala and my team on that table. And all of you, you know who you are. I carry you forever in my heart. Thank you for believing in my talent. Thank you for believing in my talent and helping me prepare for this journey. Your creativity and encouragement become part of my foundation that brought me here. Although you are both gone, your love remains with us and you will never be forgotten. And finally, to my #1 supporter from day one, to my mother, Mom, although you're no longer physically here with me, your love has never left my side. Thank you for believing in me. Long before I believe in myself. I hope tonight I have made you proud. This crown has always carried a piece of your heart. When I was crowned your Miss Galaxy 2024 to 2026, my journey began not with celebration, but with reflection. I visited the Carmelite sisters, and I also visited the Alonga Center, crowning my reign in faith, service, and community. I had the honor of representing the Tonga Lady Association and my Rainbow family in Sydney at the Mardi Gras, Australia. And during my Bright Month celebration in New Zealand, on those international stages, I carried not only myself, but the stories, resilience, and hopes of our people back home. This journey has not been easy. Being a transgender woman in Tonga often means facing criticism, judgment, rejection, and misunderstanding. There were days when my identity was questioned, my strength was tested, and my purpose challenged. Yet through every obstacle, I remember that my worth was never determined by the opinions of others. Tonight, I stand before you as living proof that we are not mistakes. We are miracle in motion. To my LGBT plus community family, I want you to know this. You are worthy, you are enough, you are loved. Never allow anyone to dim the light that God placed within you. Continue to dream boldly, love fiercely, and live authentically. To the next Miss Galaxy, whoever you may be, may you reign with humility, grace, courage, and compassion. Always remember that once this crown rests upon your head, you no longer walk for yourself alone. You become the voice of our community, an ambassador for the Tonga Ladies Association, and a source of hope for the young queens who will one day look to you for strength. And just one small piece of sisterly advice. My love, please, no more vulgar Facebook statuses. Choose words that uplift, encourage, and inspire. Maybe a few less live stream and a few more videos that leave a positive impact. Because remember, your action will always speak louder than your Wi-Fi. To all of our beautiful Miss Gardenia contestants and our outstanding Mr. Gladiator contestants, congratulations on making it this far Whether you leave tonight with that title or not, never measure your worth by a crown. The confidence, disciplines, friendship, and growth you have gained throughout this journey are victories that no one can ever take away from you. Continue serving your communities, continue believing in yourself, and never stop becoming the best version of who you are. As I conclude, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to every sponsor, partner, supporter, volunteer, and every person who made history possible through the very first Pageant 2026. Your commitment to inclusion, diversity, and unity has created a legacy that future generation will remember. If I were to describe my reign in one simple phrase, it would be this: from surviving in silence to shining in service. Again, from surviving in silence to shining in service. Tonight, I do not simply step down, I step forward, carrying every lesson, every tear, every challenge, and every triumph with gratitude. Because a crown may be passed on, but purpose live forever. Tahine lupe pau, ko aku ngalu tuku leve malanga tua ofatu, Giovanna Lisha Murphy, your Miss Galaxy 2024 to 2026. Opalahiatu. In the heart of Tonga, where the ocean breathes life into our land and our tradition run deep in our veins. In the heart of Tonga, where the ocean breathes life into our land and our tradition run deep in our veins. I was born. Growing up, I always knew I was different, in a place where conformity was prized. I struggled with my identity while my family faced financial hardship. But through it all, I held onto a resilience that burned within me.
Safi ay tongam he mataele o elangi kai tuia ange am hoto sisi fungani na e toriaki me apiko utuone halatuku tonga e taulanga isau yotau. pau malopa maua e afio angana o ali I o masoe ka apea matupunga o te le talapelo e siri le tiana le peso a o asa I ona kone tau I e tau ai so sei.
Ja, Papa Titanium lange.
Yeah, man.
May I ask all the backstage dancers kindly move the stage? All the backstage dancers, please kindly remove from the stage. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for your reigning Miss Galaxy. You've only got a few more minutes with that crown, right, my darling? You okay? You right? Good. Okay. You want me to go and collect that because you'll never see it? My Lord, ladies and gentlemen, after that performance, we would like to welcome. She is the reason why New Zealand went on lockdown. She is here with us tonight because you were being shady with me when I fell over there again. Ladies and gentlemen, please make a welcome onto the stage, taking us back to Aretha Franklin, R-E-S-P-C-T. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Miss Ashley Tonga.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry I've got a flat voice, but I'm gonna try and sing for you. What you want, baby, I got it. What you need, you know I got it. All I'm asking is for a little respect when you get home. Hey, baby, when you get home, mister, I ain't gonna do you wrong while you're gone. All I'm asking is for a little respect when you get home. Hey, baby, when you get home, I'm about to give you gentlemen, for having me. I'm so sorry. My voice has really gone from 5 days of emceeing. So on behalf of me, malo'a pito mo'y ofalahi ato.
As we have mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a QR code. And this survey, we would like to invite you to please use your phones, and this is very important. Your voices is very much needed. Please scan that QR code. Would love to hear from you how this program has progressed from where we started. Thank you very much. Taufui, where are you? Hey, make sure you have insurance yourself, because we don't have insurance. Taufui, where are you? Okay.
Another round of applause for Tafui, who's dressed as Angel of Death tonight. Could I also ask the staff of TLA and the formers if they could kindly assist with handing the prizes and our winners' crowns this evening. Malo.
And we'd like to invite all our contestants, please come to the stage now.
Let me introduce it. He to my party,
Miss Cartinian, contestant number 1, Miss Joella Company. Contestant number 2, Miss Ra Ethereal Australia. Contestant number 3, Miss Kahau Menia Services. Contestant number 4, Miss Jolene HTP. And contestant number 5, Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. Kindly make your way up to the stage. Mahalo, people. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our next contestants coming up. Please welcome our gladiators. Contestant number 1, Mr. Ella Artistic Emporium.
Let me introduce it. He to my party.
Contestant number 2, Mr. Hafai Delight. Contestant number 3, Mr. Kahau Menia Services. Contestant number 4, House of Disha Style. Contestant number 5, Mr. Joella Company. Contestant number 6, Mr. Alpha Rental Cars. Contestant number 7, Mr. Tonga National Netball Team. And contestant number 8, Mr. Echoes of Tonga Tour. Please welcome on stage our Miss Galaxy contenders for tonight. Please welcome Miss contestant number 1, Miss Lady Down Under. Miss TLA New Zealand. Contestant number 3, Miss Ella Artistic Emporium. Contestant number 4, Miss Federal Pacific Insurance. And contestant number 5, Miss Joella Company. And over to you, my darling. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, if I could kindly advise and ask our formers and all the other contenders to kindly make their way up on stage or down here on the platform so we can move along with the programs to assist with handing out the prizes.
Let me introduce it. He to my party, he a flow in the club. I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Insecti on up here with your
And now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the announcements of our winners? Are you ready to boogie afterwards? So, ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to invite our patron of the Tongale Tea Association, if she could kindly join us up on handing out the prizes and awarding our winners, our placings for this evening. The Honorable Lupepau Tuita Taioni. Mahalo au Pito. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, while the Honorable Lupepau is making her way on stage, Miss Galaxy, contestant number 1? Is it contestant number 2? Contestant number 3? Contestant number 4? Or contestant number 5? Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to hand it over to the chairperson for this year's Miss Tri-Pageant, Miss and Mr. Tri-Pageant, and also the president of the Tongale Tea Association, Malo Apito.
Thank you, Tara. Without further ado, I would like to call the top 3 for the Miss Galaxy. The 3rd place goes to Miss TLA New Zealand. And the second runner-up, or the first runner-up, or the second place goes to Miss Joella Company.
We'd like to ask Miss Tongalady New Zealand to please come forward and receive her bag. Benina Baya, please come forward. Thank you.
Before we continue with the crowning, may I kindly ask Miss TLA New Zealand and Miss Joella Company, please can you step forward to the front. Now, our Miss Galaxy for 2026-2027. All right. Sorry, there's a little technical issue. We also would like to award and present the tiara for the 2nd and the 3rd place, please. That's the...
In 3rd place, Benina Baya, can you please step forward to receive your crown?
Miss Joella Company, please. And our Miss Galaxy 2026-2027 is Miss Lady Down Under. Miss Gilia Kahan. Music, please.
Darling, you dahine. I was wondering, the cook is what is on your mind? I'm just waiting for you to tell me, baby. My baby,
Make some noise, everyone, for the Miss Galaxy 2026 and 2027.
In one more time.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for Miss Lady Down Under, your winner for this year's first Miss Tri Pageant, Miss Galaxy 2026-2027. Malo Opiso.
Moving on to our Miss Cartinia 2026-2027. May I kindly ask the girls, Miss Cartinia contestant, please, can you step forward to the front? Because apparently we can't really see you from the back there, please. All the way to the middle. Yes, please.
Kindly step forward, Miss Cartinias, for this year's Miss Cartinia pageant for the Tri Pageant competition. Malo.
The third place for Miss Cartinia goes to Miss Jolene's HTP. Miss Maria Epifania PA. And the second place goes to Miss Kahaumelie Services. Miss Halatono Nicolette Ashley Paraosli. What we're all waiting for. The Miss Cartinia 2026-2027 goes to Miss Ella Artistic Emporium, Miss Maria Soana Paate Cavallo. Music. congratulations, ladies. Thank you. Now moving on to Mr. Gladiator. The third place goes to, the fifth place goes to Mr. Ella Artistic Emporium. Fourth place goes to Mr. Alpha Rental Cars. The third place goes to Mr. Kahau Media Services. Please come back. And the second place goes to Mr. Joella Company.
Ladies and gentlemen, we ask for silence in the house while we announce our Mr. Gladiator for 2026. Ko le atu ke tau ki whakalongolongo hifo, silence. Thank you very much.
Our Mr. Gladiator for 2026-2027 goes to contestant number 7, Mr. Katieri Tupulotumahe, Mr. Tonga National Men's Netball Team.
That's the one. Oh, oh, for phone. Kohono mo oni okuke, hoi hoi fua. That's the one no mayange, kafana fana tupe. Kohono mo oni okuke, foi lole. Okuke foi lole.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you, DJ.
Moving along to our next place winnings, we come to our Miss Another round of applause for this year's winner of Mr. Gladiator 2026-2027. Moving along tonight's program. We would like to provide our consolation prizes for those for our consolation winner tonight. Our consolation prizes have been awarded, ladies and gentlemen. They'll be awarded by the Honorable Lupau once again.
So we have 3 more special awards to be awarded tonight. And before we finish, the first special prize goes to Miss Popularity, and that will go to Miss Joella Company, Miss Lady Egypt Paraguay.